Guys, kung rice lover ka or rice is life para sa'yo, pero gusto mo mag-switch to something healthier, nutrient-dense, and locally grown alternative to white rice, listen. I've tried regular white rice, brown rice, and shirataki rice, and now adlay rice. Months ko na to kinakain and honestly, it changed my routine. White rice, classic, malambot, and comforting. Shirataki, for me, minsan weird yung mouthfeel, parang kulang yung kanin mo. Also, para sa akin at sa experience ko, mas lalo ako nagugutom. Then I tried adlay, and for me, siya yung pinakamalapit sa regular white rice in terms of lasa and texture. May pagka-slightly nati siya, tapos yung texture niya, chewy pero hindi heavy. Ang sarap niya lalo pag mainit, tapos kumakapit siya sa ulam, hindi ka feeling deprived. You can cook it in a rice cooker using a 1:2 ratio of adlay to water. But mind you, sa cooking time, it may take slightly longer, which is around 30 to 40 minutes to become tender. Mas feeling siya for me, mas steady yung feeling after meals, and hindi ako naghahanap agad ng snacks. Curious ka? Try mo na adlay this week and tell me how it went.